In today's video, I am going to teach you how to verify your Sendgrid account. Verifying your account helps improve email deliverability and confirms that you control the sender domain or sender information you are using. It also helps reduce the chances that your emails end up in spam. I will walk you through the exact process, step by step, using the Sendgrid interface. First, click Settings. This is usually where you manage all the options related to how Sendgrid sends and authenticates your emails. Once you are in the Settings area, take a moment to look for the section that relates specifically to sender verification. You do not need to rush here. Getting to the right settings page makes the rest of the workflow much easier. Next, click Sender Authentication. This is the part of the dashboard that controls authentication methods for your outgoing email. Sender authentication is where Sendgrid lets you verify your sender details so that receiving mail servers can trust your messages. After you click it, you should see options related to different verification methods and statuses. Now, under Single Sender Verification, click Get Started. This starts the onboarding for verifying a single sender. It is the option you want when you need to verify sender details before you can send email confidently using that single sender method. If you see any terms or prompts on the screen, just review them briefly and continue. Your goal here is to launch the verification flow. Then, enter your sender details. This is the information Sendgrid uses to identify the sender you want to verify. Make sure you enter the sender details exactly as you intend to send emails. If the sender details involve an address or domain, you should confirm they are accurate before moving on. This is one of the most important parts of the process, because incorrect details can cause verification to fail or require you to start over. After entering your sender details, click Create. Clicking Create submits the request and begins the verification process. At this point, Sendgrid will send a verification email to confirm that you control the sender you entered. So now is the time to switch attention away from the dashboard and check your inbox, because the next step depends on that message. Next, open the verification email. Look for the email from Sendgrid related to single sender verification. Open it and review it carefully to make sure it is the correct verification message for the request you just created. It is normal for there to be a short delay, so if you do not see it right away, give it a moment and refresh your inbox. When you find the email, open it fully so you can access the verification link or button. Finally, click Verify Single Sender. This is the last action in the workflow. When you click Verify Single Sender, you are confirming to Sendgrid that the sender details belong to you and that you have permission to use them. Depending on your setup, you may be taken back to the Sendgrid dashboard, or you may see a confirmation that the verification is complete. Once that verification is done, you can return to the Sender Authentication section to confirm that your single sender verification status reflects the completed state. If everything went smoothly, the sender should now be verified and ready to use for sending. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.